Alright, ang first possession natin ay from the Hoopers, number 20. Harapin yung bola. Number 1, number 30, tumira ng 3, sablay, kuha ni number 17. Nagawan. Wala rin na 17 seconds to shoot. Hoopers, tumira ng 3, wala pa rin yan. Number 11. Wala pang score. Dito ka.
Iya, doon ka nga muna.
May bayad dito.
Sige. Ako ka doon.
In and out. Running number 19. Number 25. At the baseline side step. Wala. Rebound. Number 19. Wala pa rin yan. Naku ni number 30. Number 30. Malyari. Setting up. Finds number 8 at the baseline. Puts it in.
Sino yung nakashoot? Tapos yung pag may foul,
wala. Alright, Hoopers setting up number 8. Number 8. Mina's on number 30, Stephen Curry for the 3. Wala, rebound number 90. Number 19, ako ni Pasco, number 11. Number 11. Traveling violation. Ayan na si Hoopers, number 30, penetrates, floats, sablay, nakuha ni number 1. Number 1 to number 17, number 11, Pasco, and there's a foul by number 1. First team foul niya yan.
master, pwede
First
rin.
down. Number 17. Number
Kasama
20.
namin comment sa Nervin to. Hindi ko naman lang natin sa permanent score. Check. Permanent score.
Pasok ang tira. Kanino yun? Tres ba yun?
3 points.
Number 19. 3 points. 3-2. Ang ating score. 7 minutes. 16. Number 1. Balls. Wala. Rebound by number 19. Number 25. Number 19. Hindi number 19 forcing the offense. Fly short ang tira. Number 30. Spins. Finds number. Break. Tira ng 3. Short. Rebound by number 17. To number 1. Ang ganda ng pasa. Pero wala. Anakin Hoopers, number 30. Number 30 penetrates. That is a foul by number offensive. Number 30 offensive foul. Second team foul ng Hoopers.
Bawal yun, Matt. Bawal. Yan.
Number 11, Pasco setting up. To number 1, finds number 19 in the paint. Rejected. Ayan na si number 1. Tomondon. Wala ako ni number 19. Number 11. Number 11 ang point guard down. Tiradores. Pasco. Double team. Finds number 19 to number 1. Beyond the arc. Puts it in. 3 points. number 30. For the three, Stephen Curry short, number 1. 10 seconds to shoot. Short ang tira, rebound pa number 17. Number 17 to number 1. That is a block foul. Number 1. Substitution na, platoon na ito. Platoon na.
Ganun lang.
Yeah. Substitution tayo, palit 5.
Kaysa na
Pang-merienda ka dyan mamaya. Pang-merienda siya.
Pumasok ang tira. Score natin 8-2. Number 8. Rebound, number 9. There's a foul. Number 4. And number 41. That is your Hoopers number 4. That is a traveling violation. Number 41 to number 11, number 40, number 45, number. Ganda ng pasa at the baseline. Number 10. Number 3. First one is good.
At ganyan.
Third one is good.
mamaya. Paano mo kasi nanutong? Mababali dong. Kasi kanina yung nagawa mo.
Puro sahig na din.
Foul number 8.
Para sila yung standing yun, di ba, Master? Ha? 2-0, para sila yung standing. 1-1 yata yung isa. 2-0 ang Hoopers.
And ang Hoopers, points number 8. Hesitation. Libre si number 41. Number 18, crossing the midcourt. Finds number 40, number 16. Tiradores, number 9. Looking for an open man. Finds number 4 in the paint. Pulls. Quick back, number 18. Out one, basketball. Number 11.
Sino yun?
Number 10. Number 10 is foul. Number 18, bonus shot. As number 11. And number 11 finds number 8. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by number 9. Number 9! Ang tawag na that is number 9 is foul offensive. That is not counted. Hindi ka. Ang score natin 13-6. Kaso, ang tira. Number 11, number 8 penetrates. Forcing the offense, finds number. Nawala ang bola. Edison number 13 pulls the 3. Short ang tira. Rebound by number 9. Number 18. Wala, traveling violation. We only have 2 minutes. 28. Number 28. To number 8. Garzosa. Penetrates, finds number. Traveling violation.
Nagugat yan. Wala akong charger.
Gradores, number 9 in the paint.
Kaya kanina.
Finds number 13. And a steal by the Hoopers, number 11. Flies, puts it in. Hoopers. Approval, number 13. And a steal again by the Hoopers, number 11. One go. Same ball possession. 1 minute 33. Number 8 penetrates, floats, puts it in.
Sana lang naman.
13-12, and a steal! Wala, number 9. Ako ano yan, number 9. Number 9 to number 18. Number 18! Nice tira niya ng Hoopers, number 28. Number 28. Finds number 8. To number 11. Malakas ang tira. Nasa kaya, number 3. Baseline shot. Wala, rebound by Hoopers.
Oras.
50 seconds. Number 11 forcing the offense. Wala, rebound by number 18. Number 4, libre si number 9. Here's the basket. 40 seconds. Here's the number 8 penetrates. Rondo. And there's a foul. Jump ball, walang foul. Jump ball lang. Number 18, number 18. Penetrates. Malakas ang tira. Buzzer na lang maririnig. 20 seconds. Number 11. Baseline shot, Hoopers. Puts it in. Number 41.
Automatic yun magano.
Automatic yun. Pag lang
Number 3, pulls. Yes, sir. Kasi tayo sa first quarter. White ball. Back to the ball game tayo. Score natin 17-14. In favor of Tiradoras. Yan is the Hoopers. Rebounded ball. Number 30. Finds number. Balikan number 30. Fakes the 3. Penetrates. Hesitation. Pulls. Puts it in. Number 25, number 17. Number 19, tries the 3. Sablay. Hoopers ball, number 30, setting up, fakes a three, behind the back pass to number 1. Back to number 30. Shot clock down to 7. Forcing the offense, that is good. Saints favor. Foul number 1. And one basketball by number 30. Sablay ang bonus is number 19. To number 17. Burning that arc. 3 points. Number 11 setting up, finds number 1. Lamont down for the 3. Overshoots, same ball, possession. And the first number, that is a foul. Number 25. Breaking in the line, wala. Wala pa rin yan. Number 1 to number 11, number 17. Libre si number 19, scoop that shot. Number 11, baseline shot, wala yan. Number 1 pala yun. Kasi number 25. Number 1 was a 3. Recovered by number 19 on the baseline. That is a good basket yan. Kaya number 19. Ayan is number 30. Hoopers. Baseline. Wala. Number 11. Hoopers. 7 minutes 56 in the second quarter. 26-18. Lamang ang Hooper, ang Tiradores. Back to the ball game.
Mga bata, oh.
Here is Hoopers number 30 to number 1. Back to number 30. Finds number 6. Pulls a 3. Subline. Throwing in number 19. Number 19 to number 25. Finds number 1. Alley-oop shot. Sobrang tira. Number 8. Number 8 steal at the baseline. Pass to the Roman. Nakuha ni number 25 ng Tiradores. Number 11. Libre na. Wala pa rin yan. To number 30. Number 30 penetrates. Rejected. And there's a foul committed by number 1. Second personal foul, number 1. Third team foul. Number 30. First one is good. Second one is good. Ayun na si number 11. Natrap si number 11. Nakalusot. Wow! Beautiful shot by number 11. Pascal. Number 30. Pulls a 3. Short ang tira. Body number 1 yan. Recovered by the Hoopers. Number 30 to number 8. Baseline shot. Hoopers in and out. Recovered. Wala. Na-rebound ng number 1 for the Tiradores. And a steal by number 6. Easy jumper. Wala pa rin. Body number 11. Out of bounds, same ball possession. Time remaining, 6 minutes 29. In the second quarter, ayan na si number 6, pulls the 3. Short, recovered his own.
Yung isang bola.
For 25.
Baka yan, ano nung... Ayan, yan ba yung hawak niya?
And si number 30. To number 1, easy jump for the baseline. Sideline shot by number 1. Ano naman si number 1 from the Tiradores. Tumira, basket, 3 points.
Hawak niya ba yung bola na yan? Wala yung bola natin sa... Baka mamaya yung away ng iba yun, hindi na mga...
Time out ba?
Time out din.
Time out.
Ayun o, nasabihin mo nga
Time out.
bola. Ayan, sa atin yun eh. Ano nga yung bola, nawawala, maano yun. Hindi mo na mapansin.
Atin ba yung bola na yun? Hindi sa atin yun. Hindi na yung bola natin.
Asan yung isang bola nga?
Alright, back to the ball game. Wala ba? Back to the ball game tayo.
Change 5 na, change 5.
Nasaan yung isang bola natin? Sino kumain? Alright, back to the ball game. Bola ng Tiradores yan. Ang score natin, 31-22 in favor of the Tiradores. Ayan na si number. With 3, that is traveling violation. Ayan si number 30, pulls the 3. Supply. Nakulit ni number 6. Number 6, nakatama naman pasahan. To number 8. Number 8. Nakuha ng Tiradores number 18. Libre si number 13. Easy jumper. Platon tayo, Platon.
Palit mukha.
Platon na tayo. Good one yun. Change 5, change 5.
Pupenta ba?
Sa kabila yun, hindi pa nagpalit. Sige. Good yun, good. Pumasok naman yun. Counted yun, counted. Ang score natin, 33-22. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Number 6 to number 30 to number 11. Baseline. Wala, na rebound number 18. Steal by number. Nakulit ng Tiradores, number 30. Pulls the 3. Short. Rebound by number 18. Finds number 13 ng Hoopers. Number 8, wala. Rebound by number 4. And a steal by the number 28. Nice nila niya, ni number 13. Number 13, forcing the offense. Wala pa rin. Only number 11. Number 11 penetrates. Baseline shot, puts it in. And number 23, ayan na si number 13. Nala. Number 18. To number 13 to number 3 in the paint, hesitation, post rejected, and there's a foul. It's foul rep. Number 11. Foul number 11. Inbound din naman number 9. Number 18, Tiradores. Pulls the three. Wala na ko ang number. Racing Hoopers. Number 38. That is good. Basket is good. Score 3 minutes and 40. 26-33. Lumalapit na ang kalabangan. And number 4. Recover. Na-rebound na number Hoopers siya, number 11. Number 11 to number 28. Wala! Ahmad Tiradores.
Laton lang yung kanina.
Time out kayo rin. Time out kayo, diba? May tubig dito. Alright, back to the ball game. And remaining 2 minutes 15. And number 6, Gonzaga pulls the three. Won't go. Only number 3. Number 3. To number. Wala pa rin yan. Ang number 4. Tumira ng dress, number 13. Wala ko ni number 3 yun. Number 4, back to number 3. Basket is good, and one, basketball. Who's foul rep? Number 19 is foul. (26-35) running score. Penetrates number 30. Malakas. Is number 18. And number 3. Basket is good. And number 30. Number 30 to number 6. Wala yun. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. Wala. And number 30. Hoopers. Basket is good. Counted. Foul number. Hindi na foul. Rep. Number 4.
Tama lang. 26 ang galing sa 26.
Masok yung free throw. Ayun. Masok yung free throw.
29.
Kasi number 13. Kasi number 18. Number 18 to number 3. Number 4 to number 13. Tumira ng press. Sablay. Out of bounds. Hoopers ball. 29-37. 1 minute 13. In the second quarter. Kasi number 30. And that is a foul. Penalty situation, ref. Idol, penalty na, penalty. Number 11 in the line. Supply. Wala pa rin. Nakuha yan ang Tiradores number 9. Tiradores number 9. Hinahara si number 11. And naistilan. Nakuha ulit ng Tiradores. Number 18. Number 18. And there is a foul committed by number 10. Number 10 for his personal foul. Number 18 in the line for his bonus. First one is good. 29-13. Second one, Rondo. Connor Tiradores. Yan is number 30. Nagmamadali, penetrates, rejected. Score natin, 42 seconds na lang tayo. Rejected ulit. Connor Tiradores yan. And there's a foul by number 41. Foul number 41.
Third game ba sila? Kanina pa chat ng chat. Tawag pa ng tawag. Pahardo.
Kaya hindi ko makita. Saan ba yun? Hindi ako makapag-chat.
Ay naku.
Ano si cellphone yan?
Reklamo ko malabo. Tapos gagamitin mo.
Yes, penalty rep. Warning.
Sure ka?
Penalty na. Ito, 5 na. Sablay. Saulan pa rin, 25 seconds tayo. Wallet number 18. Wala yan, ako ni number 3. Basket is good. And then basketball. Wala yung tira. Nakuha ng Hoopers. Buzzer na lang maririnig. Basket is good. Para Hoopers, buzzer na lang maririnig. 1.8 seconds na lang.